really happy to meet you all here. And here we have with us Ms. Sharmila, Assistant Professor of English from KPR Institute of Technology and Engineering, Coimbatore. Ma'am, welcome, ma'am. I should be really grateful to her because it was a very short notice that I gave her an invitation, and readily she was there to accept our invitation. The very next second, she said, "Yeah, we'll do that." And one of the right persons for you, children. Because being an academician, she has been spending most of her time with her students, rightly molding them in the right track. And I'm really happy that she is here with us to be a part of this event. Ma'am, welcome to our campus virtually. So happy that you have accepted our invitation. And the session is over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for the nice introduction about me. Hi, guys. Happy morning to you all.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Happy morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
and good morning, guys. Good morning. So, how are you?
Yeah, fine, ma'am.
Okay, and actually, I needed to be interacting in the middle. Okay, so try to travel along with me. Okay, fine. And whenever you have doubt, just stop me and ask your doubts. I'm ready to solve it. Okay, fine. Shall we start the session, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Just I'm sharing my screen to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Could you able to view my screen, guys? Could you able to view my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So the title is about career development. Do you have any idea about your career? Then tell me first thing, what is a career? Any idea? Any idea about your career? Okay. So this is your exact slide I'm bringing to you. The next one, literature. So it will be really interesting. Just I have brought the expandable details about the literature. Just read it. It'll be seeking some more fun about this title, isn't it? What do you mean literature? So see the definition. It is a lifelong learning, intuitive insight, theater of life, enriching education, radical richness, artistry form of language, truth in the telling, undeniably pleasurable, rapturous appreciation, epiphany, and experience. Have you heard this before about the expansion about this literature? Guys, are you with me? Ma'am, is my video visible, ma'am? Actually, I'm at my screen. Guys, are you there? Guys, are you there? Am I audible to you guys? Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, is my video visible, ma'am? Actually, I'm at my screen. Could you
No,
able
it's
to
a
view my
black.
video?
It's a black screen that we see, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Is this visible now, ma'am?
Yes, we see your slide, ma'am.
No. Yeah, fine, ma'am. Okay, guys, this is what I have talked about. Your literature detail. It's a lifelong learning, intuitive insight, theater of life, enriching education, radical richness, artistry, a form of language, truth in the telling, undeniably pleasurable, rapturous appreciation, epiphany, and experience. Okay, fine. Except these things, what about your idea about your career? Do you have any idea? Now tell me, why did you choose this course? Choose this degree? BA English Literature? Yes, guys, tell me, why did you choose this course? How many of you chosen by your passion? Ma'am, I love this course very much. I really like this. Passionately, I have selected this course. How many of you? Anyone? Just you can unmute yourself and give me a reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
I'm
Yeah, Charanya. Thank you so much, Charanya. And what about others, guys? Okay, how many of you chosen your career by your parents' compulsion? Anyone like that? Okay, for your friends, ma'am, my friend has chosen this. That's why I also joined this course. Anyone? Vishal? Vishal is smiling. Tell me, Vishal. Sasi. Okay, fine. So whatever you have chosen this course. So whatever we are doing in this particular course, we have to prove our best. Okay, fine. So let me get into the slide again. So why career development? Why career is important nowadays? Okay, fine. So I'm moving on to the next slide. So guys, I'm again repeatedly telling you, if you have any doubt in the middle, or else if I'm going fast, just stop me and ask your doubt. Okay, fine. Yeah. So this is about you. This is about your wonderful slide. Today generation students. Today generation students. Just this is about your survey. Okay. Just read it well. Is this suitable for you guys? Is this suitable for you? You will be like, never plan for your future. Isn't it, guys? Are you planning for your future, or I don't have any plan for my future? Yes? So try to communicate with me. Okay, fine. So today generation students are like, they never plan for their future. Okay. And next is follow the crowd. Okay, whenever which means we are moving somewhere, we are going somewhere, most probably we have the intuition like, what is the crowd is doing, I also wanted to join the crowd. Okay, yes or no? Obviously we'll be following the crowd. Okay, that is very wrong. Okay, fine, follow the crowd. Choose by influence of others. As I said earlier, my friend has chosen this course, so I wanted to give a company. Okay, I or else I wanted to be with him, be with her. Okay, like that. So choose by influence of others. So blindly accepting other influences on us, like our parents, friends, and other society, our relatives. Okay, fine. And next is accept the parents' verdict, but their decision. They are simply forcing us to do. Most of the houses, like obviously our parent will tell that I wanted to become a doctor, so I couldn't, so you have to become a doctor, like that. They are simply forcing us to study their wished courses, but obviously our intuition will be some other options, like that. Okay, fine. So accepting parents forces, and next is get tempted by current trends. Okay, so in my institution, most of the students, whenever they are coming for their admission, which means I'm talking about the current first years, obviously they'll be choosing CRC. Okay, I don't know what is there in CRC. Most of the students, they are being like a crowd. They are willing to take only computer science engineering. And last 5 years back, there was no value about computer science engineering. They were fired from their companies, IT companies. But now, again, which means over a 5 years, obviously, the trend will be changing. Okay, fine. So now I wanted to do this course. Okay, so I don't know the reason for choosing this particular course. Okay, fine. So get tempted by current trends. Okay, and next is uh, jump into any career. So I don't have any idea about my career. Okay, So I don't have anything, even a single clue about this particular course in my life. Okay, so I have taken this. I wanted to go to this job. Just you can ask your senior people or your parents. There is no connection of their degree and their occupation now. Okay, just you go and verify. It is obviously true. Next is lack of motivation. We always need a person to motivate us, isn't it? We always need a person. The only one person who motivate us in the sense is ourselves only, not for others. Okay, just we are not living for others, but obviously whenever we are getting fed up, we are expecting others support, isn't it? Lack of motivation is there. Fail to discover their lives. Okay, so there is no clear clarity about your life. Okay, live in a fantasy world, imagination, thinking like my girlfriend is an alien. It is a fantasy series, isn't it? We liked it very much, isn't it? Are you guys watching Korean series? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes, Charanya, good. So I'm moving on to my next slide. Next is focus is lost. We don't have any focus. Okay, and obviously each and every week our focus will be changing to someone somewhere. Each and everything will be changed. Okay, so not like that. We have to have a focus only on a particular thing. Next is effort to increase quantity, so that we are not taking any effort to increase our quality. So survival of the fittest. So survival of the fittest in the sense, if anybody is fighting on the road, we simply crossing them. And if we cross any accidents on the road, we are not ready to help them nowadays. Simply we are taking selfies with them, isn't it? Yes or no? Our mentality will be changing according to our generation, isn't it, guys? So if we are helping to someone in the sense, that is really awesome, that is well and good. But if we are being a person in the life, survival of the fittest, that is really very bad. Okay, less influenced by parents and teachers, increasing dropouts, checking quality in the products. Okay, which means obviously we would like to check the quality of the product, like I have these kind of a pen I have, and my quality of cloth, and but we are not checking the quality of our education. Okay, these are the reasons. Okay, fine. And next is effort to increase quantity and aimless process. Whatever we are doing, even a simple thing, if you are doing, so try to have a focus on that, try to have aim in that. Okay. And guys, are you with me? Do you understand? Do you understand?
I understand, ma'am.
Yeah, fine, guys. Okay, so who are all responsible for this current situation, guys? Who are all responsible? Obviously, just we have to take the credit of that, isn't it? The student themselves is the reason for this problem. Okay, just I have to take the responsible, and my parents, teacher. Not everybody. Good teachers will be like myself and some other people in your institutions. Okay, good teachers will be there in each and every places. They'll be guiding you. Okay, fine. And next is schools and colleges. Majority of them, they have to take the responsibility, and society, government has to take the initiative of your problems. And next is people who have achieved success but forgot others. Obviously, okay, fine. So if you achieved in your career, just try to extend your support to your junior people or people who are all around you. That is mandatory. Just we people are living here to help others, guys. Okay, just keep it in mind. Okay, fine. And next is people who can influence others for good. Okay, always think good and try to support others, help others. It will be getting back, I think so. Okay, fine. Next is, which means I have more number of slides. I'm going fast. So if you have any doubt in the particular slide, just you can stop me in the middle. Just raise your question. So I'm ready to answer that. Okay, fine, guys. Next is, so what do you want to do with the rest of your life? Do you have any idea? Now tell me, do you have any idea? Am I correct? Am I correct with my slides, previous slides? Yes or no, guys? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
fine. Okay, fine. And so, what to do in the rest of our life. Just we have to go focus, which means whatever we have seen in the earlier slide, the earlier ideas, just we have to avoid everything and we have to start our career, start our plan in a new one. Okay, fine. So if you are getting any idea, at least, which means if any one of you at least getting an idea to change your career path, means that is a success of this particular session. Okay, fine. So I'm moving on to my next slide. Why select a career? Why do we need a career, man? Why? Obviously. So how many of you going to do your PG? 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 Are you going to get married, guys? After your UG?
No, ma'am.
No.
IPG, ma'am.
Yeah, you'll do PG. Okay, fine. Do you understand what I'm talking about, guys? Puridama? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, only one is answering my question. Okay, fine. As a human being, after completing our career, after completing our studies, obviously we have to choose a career. Okay, so we have been created unique, isn't it? Yes or no? We people are limited versions. I'm thinking about myself as a limited version. Okay, I'm not copying anyone. Do you? Do you? Are you copying others? Tic tac. Okay, so we are born only once. We all know that. We spend almost 40 years on our work. A total over 80,000 hours we work. Now ask yourself, which means most of the time, not only in our college life or our professional place, we used to spend a lot of timings, isn't it? More than 8 hours we are being together with other people. Okay, so we have to change our character. Okay, we have to make ourselves as an adjustable one in that place. Okay, so next is, so this is a career decision making process. Okay, so now just you ask yourself, are you doing this? Okay, so this is a picture describes about the career decision making process. Okay, exploring options. So where do you start? Where do you start? Where do you start? So I have 5 titles here. First thing, you have to start from yourself, discovering yourself. Okay, you have to discover about yourself. Okay, so if you have time, this is my best advice. Whenever you have time, so try to take a paper in your hand, analyze yourself, write down your strength and weaknesses. Okay, don't get any help from your friends. Don't ask your parents what is my strength, what is my weakness. Whenever you get time, try to discover yourself. What is my minute strength? What is my minute weakness? How to I'm going to change this? How I'm gonna work? Okay, to change this particular character. Okay, what are the effective process I'm gonna make to change myself? Okay, so this is mandatory, guys, not only for your career, as a personal character also you need all those things. Okay, you have to discover about yourself. So whenever we are getting criticizing, which means getting that criticizing review from others, obviously we'll be getting irritated. You're doing like this, you're doing like that. Okay, so before getting the criticism from other people, just we have to analyze ourselves and we'll try to change that. Okay, so discovering yourself, exploring yourself, making a decision. So decision making is not an easy one. We cannot change a decision after it has done, isn't it? If you keep on changing your decision, in the sense that is not really a good decision. Okay, fine. So making a decision is there, taking action, not only a decision, just you have to take action for that. For example, if you wanted to, which means if you would like to get score in your first semester, you have to get up earlier in the morning. That is making a decision, isn't it? For that, you have to keep an alarm, or else you have to ask your mother to wake me early in the morning, which means at 4 o'clock. If you're planning to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, that is your decision. You have to take action in that place. Okay, so if you're omitting to wake up earlier, in the sense, obviously you'll be losing your career, losing your decision, isn't it? And next is evaluating the decision. Okay, Just a second, Sasi. After taking an action, just you have to evaluate your decision whether I have taken a good decision or a bad decision. Sasi, now tell me what is your doubt, man? Vishal, Sasi and Vishal, what is your doubt? Do you have any doubt, guys? Am I going faster?
No, ma'am.
Sasi, why did you raise your hand? You're not talking to me, man. கை தெரியாம பட்டுருச்சு மேம். Okay, fine. So I'm changing my slide. So discovering yourself. So this is an example for discovering about yourself. So first you have to check yourself. What are my interests? So you don't get help from your friends. Okay. So they cannot evaluate you. They cannot analyze you at every time. Okay. So you have to evaluate yourself personally, like what are my interests, what are my values, skills, what is my skill, what is my personality preferences, what is my strength, what are the 3 careers that interest me. Okay. So what are 3 college majors that I want to explore. But this last sentence, they don't suit you. Actually, you have chosen your course, particular course. Okay, fine. So these are the simple questions before starting your, which means before taking your decision, just ask these questions to yourself, not to anyone, especially to yourself. Okay, well. Next is, so exploring option, how to explore ourselves. Okay, how do we explore ourselves? So what information or intervals can help me to explore my college or career options? Okay, first you have to fix yourself. This is my career. I'm gonna flourish in that, which means I'm gonna shine in this particular career. In this means what I have to do next? What is the proper plan? So you can ask your friend if your friend is really very intelligent, or else you can ask your parents, or else straight away come to the college and ask your professors about your career plan. They'll be obvious, they'll be helping you. And nowadays there are a lot of materials available on the internet. Okay, Google uncle is there, he'll be helping you. So we cannot simply believe the persons, but we can simply believe the search engine, isn't it? And next is, what classes or activities can help me develop my strengths. For example, if I'm lagging with my communication skills, I have to plan to improve that. So I have to plan an activity. So which means whatever you're talking Tamil, obviously you have to practice it in English, whether it is good or bad. Okay, whether it is correct or wrong. So don't bother about your grammatical mistakes. Okay, just simply explore about yourself. Just if you're bothering about the other people, what about they think me if I'm talking wrong? Okay, so nobody is there to judge us. Okay, so not like that, which means simply you have to explore. So fear is a first enemy for our which means first enemy, it's a barrier, just avoid it. Okay, guys, so try to be with me. So any doubt, just ask me. Don't be too quiet. Okay, fine. And next is the last one, how can I learn more about informational interviews, job shadowing, exploratory internships, service learning, civic honors, students organizations to gain first hand experience. Okay, so there are a lot of informations are available. Okay, which means in the college library, on the search engine, you can refer your teachers about your career interest. Okay, so fix on it, don't change your plan, obviously, which means fix on it. Okay, right? And next, excuse me, just a second. Okay, making a decision. So making a decision. So how much time and energy am I willing to invest to make my career? Okay. So just check yourself, who is part of my support system, the support in this. Okay. And what are my top priorities to consider this decision? Okay. So taking an action. So planning is so easy, guys. It's very, very easy. Planning is so easy, but execution will be the toughest one. Okay. So how can I strengthen my readiness for success in a college major? So I have chosen your course. What is one goal that I have? Okay. So I'll be listing out the job details in the upcoming slides. So fix on it. Okay. I have a lot of examples today I have brought you. So okay, just fix on it on a particular goal, work on it. Okay. And next is, how can I reach it? What action can I take now? Okay, this is the right time to take decisions. And which one of my talents can I develop through the cases outside activities? Though all the practices, what I'm getting inside, is this enough, or else do I need to get activities from outside, which means uh, your personal work, like that. Okay. Next is, so evaluating the decision. So as I said, y'all, you're taking a decision is so easy, but we have to follow it and finally evaluate it. So evaluating the decision, it's my decision a realistic option? Okay, well, so just ask yourself. So kindly don't ask others. Obviously, some of the people will be confusing us. Okay, so if you're taking a decision, try to ask yourself, you are the right person to correct yourself, isn't it? And is there anything preventing me achieving this goal? Okay. And next is, what would it mean if I didn't have a barrier? So barrier in the sense, you know that, what do you mean a barrier here, guys? Barrier. What do you mean by barrier? Lokesh, Charanya, Sara, Sasi, Vishal. Barrier. It is an obstacle. Okay, fine. Who in my support system can assist me with this, achieving these goals? Okay. So you have to ask these questions to yourself. Next is, so this is our career cycle 1. So you can follow this while taking a decision. Okay. So steps to progress. 5 most crucial factors while taking a decision. So what are the 5 career cycle? So I'm taking it in my paper. Okay, fine. So what are the career cycle 1, which means the details of career cycle 1? Facts, steps to progress. First one is, we need to understand the facts. Commitment should be there. Okay, commitment, plan, persevere, self-belief. Okay. And next is, a path that lets some obtain his wishes. Job action. So whatever you're doing, just stand on it. Don't change it often. Okay. So facts. What are the facts, including my career? And commitment. What kind of a commitment I'm showing to it? Plan. Plan is mandatory. And persevere. Persevere in the sense, if you're getting failed in the first action, don't try to stop that. Okay. If plan A is not working out, go for plan B. There are more than 26 letters. Okay. So not only 26 letters in alphabets. In some other foreign country, they have found 27th alphabet. If you have time, go and search that. Okay. So I heard this news 3 years before. Okay. 27th alphabet is there. Okay. And next is self-belief. Just we have to believe ourselves. I can do it. So try to motivate yourself personally. If anyone is not doing that, is which means that there is nothing in that. Try to motivate yourself. Okay. And next, how do we decide? So how do we decide our career? So abilities, aptitude, interest. Okay, aptitude, our mental ability to think about it. Abilities, and next is personality and motivation. Okay, and career choices. So don't travel along with your friend. Okay, for example, so if you have a close friend up to your plus 2, which means 12th standard, which means obviously you'll be missing your friend on your UG. That UG friend, obviously she or he cannot come with you in your PG. There is a life cycle. Okay, and nobody is going to come with you permanently except our parents. Okay, guys. So try to keep it in mind. So motivate yourself. Try to have a career choice which suits you. Okay, so don't compare yourself with other people. So my friend has chosen this career, so I'm gonna give a company to him. Okay, and next is my father suggested me, my teacher suggested me. Whatever they are telling to you, simply take an advice from them, take a notes from them. Okay, and finally make a decision on yourself. Okay, final decision is yours. Keep it in mind. Okay. So, are you all with me, guys? Are you with me? Or else am I talking alone? Are you with me? Yes? And this is the career cycle 2. Okay? Career cycle 2. So, in this career cycle, again, I have given a detail about your education. Okay? Just you have to choose in your education now. Family, society, vision, self. Okay? So, your career has to serve to the society, to your family, to yourself. Okay? So, a path that leads to advancement and promotion in life. Don't go select a occupational job. Occupation in the sense a person sits in the same place, work from 9 to 5 in the same place, which means even the chair, he cannot change his chair. Okay, so don't choose that kind of occupation in your career. Okay, so there are a lot of differences, occupation and professions. So if I'm taking that, it'll be taking a lot of time. Okay, next is now I'm gonna get into your career choices. So if you have any doubt in that, you can ask me. Okay, Emma. So I'm moving on to the next slide. So tips. First tip before choosing a career. Okay, you're at your UG. Okay, you have chosen a beautiful course, BA English Literature, an artistic profession. Okay, fine. So fantastic course you have chosen now. So tips is course selection is already done. So better family life. If I'm taking this career, do I get better family life? Okay, so it is not an imagination, it is not a fantasy to live. Okay, so reality is just we have to think about our future. Okay, helping the nation. So though if you're not helping to someone, simply have to help yourself. Okay, now to disturb others, next is develop skills, motivation, plan intelligently, and improve reading, taking notes you can use. For example, if you are meeting a person, if someone is giving you advice to choose this course, choose a career, which means lots and lots of people will be giving you a lot of advices. Okay, just you have to choose only one or two from that. Okay, so in that particular time, obviously we people are like will be forgetting. Okay, in a single day. Okay, we have that habit, obviously we'll forget that. Okay, try to have a small note in your hand. Okay, small packet diary in your hand wherever you go, which means try to have a pen and take notes. Take note in the sense not a paragraph, simple point is enough. Okay, so not only this career, even if you're attending your classes, though the teacher is giving you full lecture notes, whatever, for your better understanding, try to take notes. It's a wonderful listening activity. Okay, next is some of the career. So after completing your BA, again go for the lecturer job. But recently, in all the colleges, they have, which means in engineering colleges, I'm telling you, they have removed the post of lecturer. They have given assistant professor grade. Okay, so lecturer is there in government institutions. Okay, mama. So lecturer, newspaper editor, writer. If you are good, if you have an interest in writing, if you are a good writer, you can go for writing field. Okay, PRO, public relation officer, translator. There are many demand, which means so many demands. Demands are there for a translator. Okay, you can choose this career. And next is tourist guide. So if you would like to roam, each and every place is, ma'am, I don't want to work in a particular place. I don't like any occupational jobs at all. So you can simply select this profession, tourist guide. Okay, these are the examples, which means about your career after completing your UG degree. Okay, fine. So lecturer, newspaper editor, writer, PRO, translator, and tourist guide. Okay, mama. So doubt in the kelinga. Okay, I'm moving on to the next slide. For freshers, ma. For freshers, so English translator, junior parliamentary reporter, which means newspaper reporter, TV reporter, English news channels, not in Tamil. Okay, English content writer, faculty of English like us. Okay, and call center executive, English tutor, customer support executive, English trainer, and United Nations executive. It's a foreign job. Okay, these are the careers that are available for freshers, ma. Freshers, not an experienced persons. For freshers, these are the jobs available. So I have brought many slides regarding your placement. Okay, so the thing is, you must plan yourself. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so next is government jobs. So government jobs. So you can write the examination for a bank clerk. You obviously know that. So Tamil Nadu government is offering government examinations like TNPSC, Group 1, Group 2, Group 2A, Group 4, and up to Group 8 you can apply for. So if you are simply working hard on it, so you can crack the exam easily. Okay, fine. So you can apply for bank clerk, Group employed, Group D employed. Okay, next is EPFO. Sorry, it is EFPO, Employee Provident Fund. Okay, next is assistant clerk, post office assistant. These are the government sectors available. If you would like to work in government jobs, in the sense, you can go for this. Okay, mama. And next is, so these are the salary structure offered by IT companies. You know that, right? Wipro, Infosys, not only for engineering college students, which means I have seen so many IT companies here, but in arts students also, they are providing salaries. These must have packages. Okay, so see here, look at the packages. Could you anyone tell me 321K? What do you mean by it? So I don't know the exact value of 321 or 966K. Okay, yeah. Exactly, it will be around 75,000. 75,000 per month after completing your UG. So is that so easy to get a job in IT companies? Obviously, it is easy, but we have to develop our hmm, develop our yes, completed. At least you have to show your growth on your studying, which means your degree. You have to show a lot of progress in that. Okay, to do additional courses, do a lot of certificate courses. Okay, like NPTEL. Okay, international certificate courses, that will be obviously helping you. It is a credit course. I'm not sure about whether it is 1 credit or 2 credit. It will be adding your degree. Okay, and so 32 1K, it will be around 75,000. Okay, next is Cognizant, Infosys, BPO, Wipro, HCL Technologies. These are the IT companies. They are providing vacancies, jobs for BA English Literature students. Yeah, ma. Okay, and next is, so there are endless possibilities in abroad. Ma'am, I don't want to work after my UG or PG. Simply, I wanted to do my higher studies in abroad. What is the process? Okay, do you have any idea? So, I'm going to give you only 3 simple ideas to do your PG in abroad. Okay. Ma, if you have any doubt, ask me, ma'am. So, Beck, obviously, you know that you would have heard this word before. Beck. business English certificate courses. Okay, so you study this course. If you're getting passed, if you clear this examination, this is a how to say that, it is a trump card. You can go for foreign countries to do your higher courses. Okay, which means PG degree at all. You can work and you can study part-time jobs, so you can work there, and you can continue your higher studies. But in big courses, you could select some of the uh, countries alone. You cannot go for all the countries. Okay, which means they are offering study in the UK alone, United Kingdoms. Okay, mama. Next is, so TOEFL. It's a known word. TOEFL, test of English as a foreign language. So BEC, TOEFL, IELTS, whatever you study, that is an examination. Simply you have to crack it. If you would like to continue your higher degree, higher studies in the foreign, you have to crack it well. Okay, and here also TOEFL, you could study only at USA, United States of America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, and many other exemplary regions. Okay, ma regions. Sorry, exemplary regions. TOEFL examination. You must hold a certificate in your hand. Okay, so simply you can earn more than 1.5 lakhs in that. Okay, for a part-time job. So it is not a joke, guys. Work on it. Next is IELTS, International English Language Testing System. So this is also a kind of examination. So after completing this test, you can go for admission like UK, Australia, New Zealand, USA, and Canada. Okay, ma? You can continue higher studies in that particular places also. Okay, fine. Next is, I'm moving on to the next slide. If I'm moving faster, kindly tell me, guys. Okay, fine. So basic requirements to study abroad. If you would like to continue your studies at abroad, you have to pass these examinations, TOEFL, IELTS, and you must hold C1 language certificate. Academic transcripts should be there. Reference letter from teachers, birth certificate, and passport. Okay, you should know these things, right? Okay, yeah. And next is, so PG. After completing your PG, so these are the career opportunities available. So earlier, whatever we have seen, that is for UG degree. Okay, Amma, this is for PG degree. After completing a PG, obviously, you can continue your higher studies, BPO. Okay, wow. And KPOs, publishing, theater, media, advertising, writing, corporate entertainment, and public relations, and other such. Which means after completing MA degree, you could, which means you could go for so many variations in your career. So many jobs are available after completing an MA English literature. Okay, which means in BA English literature, we could seek only few opportunities, but in MA English literature we could see so many opportunities are there. Okay, and next is editor. You can work as a newspaper editor, assistant editor, web content writer, and translator. Okay, which means you could translate book Tamil to English like that. Okay, and next is teacher. You can work as a teacher, public servant, etc., which means you could work in the government jobs. Okay, PG teacher. Okay, mama. And next, so after PG, no ma'am, I would like to continue my higher studies. What are they? So after completing your PG, which means after completing MA English literature, you can choose, you can go for not only in MPhil English literature, ma'am. You could go for MPhil in creative writing, MPhil in language and literature, MPhil in linguistics, MPhil in comparative literature. Actually, I have done that, comparative literature. MPhil in comparative religion, MPhil in translation literature. So you have a lot of opportunities to do your MPhil degree. It's a full-time degree. There is no part-time for MPhil. You know that earlier. Okay, fine. So next slide. So I have given a variance, ma'am. So if I've chosen this career, what are the highlights in that particular job? So editor or assistant editor, a popular choice among English literature postgraduates. A diploma degree in book publishing can be helpful. Okay, yeah. So if you would like to work as an editor or assistant editor, you have to do a additional course, which means additional what diploma degree in book publishing can be helpful. Book publishing. And next is web content writer. So anyone can write, but it has to be readable, isn't it? And next is a fast growing career option for English graduates. Web content writer is to write catchy and informative articles, web pages, and blogs. Okay, so among that four skills, LSRW skills, nobody will be perfect in that. For example, in listening, speaking, reading, and writing, writing is a toughest part for me. Okay, and listening somewhat, I'm okay with that. Reading is okay, but speaking, I love it. But while go for writing, it's simply irritating for me. But anyway, if there is no other way to escape from that, I have to do it. Okay, yeah. So if you're a good writer, just try to continue that. Okay, don't stop it. Okay, so I have only simple slides, so don't worry about it. Next is profession and highlights. Academic writer. So what about academic writer? So postgraduates in English literature can be hired as academic writers. An additional degree in B.Ed helps. Okay, a B.Ed in English literature helps secure a good position. And next is a translator. So if you are choosing a profession like this, what you have to do? What are the highlights? Comes under that degree. Okay, yeah, just read it. Yeah, translator's job is to translate a given document in English. A diploma degree in translation is advised. So translation, it's not so easy. Even a single comma, single dot will be which means it is mandatory in that place. We cannot change anything like this, simply like that. Okay, yeah. And next, public servant. So public servant. So after postgraduate degree, a candidate can appear in competitive examinations. Okay, various government departments. So SEO, search engine optimization, emerged as a fast-growing field, which means it comes under computer course, I think, so IT company. Okay, SEO, search engine optimization. Ma'am, I got disconnected. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Are you able to view my screen now?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Yeah, thank you. So, public servant, SEO we talked about. And next slide. We are almost end. Okay, don't worry. So, quality control executive. Nowadays, BPOs, KPOs look individual with good grasp of communication. Okay, yeah. So, not only in Tamil Nadu, just if you go for some other nations, okay, like Bangalore, Karnataka, obviously will be getting more opportunities only for English graduates. Okay, and next is theater actor. If you have any interest in acting, I can go for it. Okay, the theater actor in English. Okay, and finally, I would like to conclude with my own points. Be unique, guys. Simply don't copy others. Okay, we people are unique. We people are limited versions. Prove yourself. Whatever you do, just you have to prove yourself as the best one. I am the best. Okay. And next is be easily available, which means don't be easily available in your personal life, but be easily available in your professional life. If someone is approaching you to solve any issue, to get help from you, to try to be available. Okay, Amma. Only in professional life, I'm telling you. And next is overcome barriers. Don't think about the barriers. Okay, so barriers in the sense it will be helping us to improve ourselves one step ahead. Okay, so learn from failures like perseverance. So if you get failure in a first try, as I said earlier, if one letter is not working out, just move for other letter. Plan A is not working out, move for plan B. Simple. Don't stuck with a simple place, which means I got failure in this, so I don't want to try it again. So don't do like that. If you're getting any issues, getting any failure at your first try, just learn from it. Just try to avoid the same kind of mistakes in your future. Okay, just try to be a role model. If someone is asking you who is your role model, obviously we'll be telling our father, our mother, obviously hero or heroines. Don't do that. Okay, so simply you tell them myself is a role model. So people has to learn from me. So this is our motto always. Okay, so try to change yourself. That's all. So this is about my slide, entire slide about today. We have talked about career development. There are a lot of opportunities are available in English. Okay. So after completing a BA, MA, MPhil English literature or PhD in English literature, there are many opportunities are available. So the only thing is we have to make use of it. Okay, fine, guys. So thank you. Thank you all for your patience, wonderful listening. I'm hoping so. And finally, any questions? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
They are very eager to say no.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. A wonderful session. Thank you. Perhaps
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
being all beginners, they would have had all these doubts in their mind. What's next? How about
Yes,
the
ma'am.
career? Now, thank you so much for that insight that you've given. Hope all these
Yes,
inputs
ma'am.
would be there with them.
Yes, ma'am. So thanks
Children,
for the
any
opportunity, ma'am.
Hey, I should thank you, ma'am. Thank you because it was a very short notice that I invited you, and we are so grateful that you accepted, ma'am. Thank you so much for that.
Yes, ma'am. You're always welcome, ma'am.
Thank you for being with our students for an hour, sharing your
Yes, ma'am.
knowledge.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can I any
So
questions from your end, students? Oh, it's a very big
okay.
no.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And
Thank you.
guys, stay safe always. Don't go anywhere. Be safe. Stay at home. Take care.